My name is Paul and I'm one of the supervisors in a medium-sized contact centre. I began as an agent and became a supervisor 3 years ago. I have remained with my company because I am passionate about giving excellent service to our customers, and so is my company. The management team demonstrates its commitment by the importance it places on coaching. As supervisors, we recognise the importance of coaching in helping to instill the right knowledge as well as the right behavioural skills, also known as soft skills. The potential benefits of excellent service include effective cross and upselling, avoiding repeat calls by accurately understanding the customer's needs through good questioning and listening skills, building customer loyalty with every call, and much more. To help us achieve the necessary improvements, my company has invested in Coach SA, a coaching solution integrated with speech analytics. This is a great product that enables us to continuously strive towards reducing performance variability and achieve a high level of consistency in customer experience. This enables my company to promote a culture which says, "These are the standards we have agreed represent an excellent call handling experience, and we will support our supervisors with the necessary coaching tools to help their agents achieve their peak performance." The key deciding factors in choosing to go with Coach SA were firstly, cost. With Coach SA, we do not have to transcribe 100% of the calls like you do with other products. My company is in full control of the ongoing costs for speech analytics. Secondly, we do not need specialist analyst skills, which are expensive to acquire. Coach SA has been developed in a unique way so that the skills required we already have amongst the supervisory team. Using speech analytics enables us to create highly personalised coaching sessions and deliver them to our agents to undertake online when prompted by our WFM system. One of the strengths of Coach is that the coaching is not random, but is based on building the skills and knowledge of our agents in a systematic and consistent method. Our coaching program is based on a list of the most important scenarios that we expect our agents to be able to handle. For example, cross and upselling, overcoming objections, preventing repeat calls, effective questioning, building customer loyalty, and many more. Our speech analytics is programmed to find coaching calls based on a chosen scenario. This ensures the supervisors are sent the right calls with the right evidence in the call to ensure the agent receives effective coaching. Let me now show you how we use our coach solution that's been integrated with speech analytics. The administrator sets up the search criteria in Coach's IntelliSearch feature for the skill areas we have identified. The speech analytics product finds the calls which are not meeting the right performance standards. Having come up with the evidence, what is brilliant is that speech analytics sends this information to Coach in order that the supervisor can use it to create personalised coaching sessions and send them to the agent. When I'm ready to create a coaching session in Coach, I log in and from the landing page I select the IntelliSearch button. During the night, Coach's IntelliSearch finds all these calls which require coaching and are assigned to each of my team members. When I select one of these calls, I am taken elegantly to the coaching form, which includes the media file already streamed and ready to be played. All I have to do is press Start. The screen changes and shows a list of competency statements, which we have used in creating this coaching template. This template lists 22 soft skills which we have identified as representing an excellent customer experience. I begin to listen to the call. I am able to review a summary of the findings, for example, timestamps of call segments, which I can use to find the relevant place in the call. Of course, effective coaching is not about telling the agent what they did well and not so well. A good coaching experience should include explanations on why the agent did not meet the required standard for a particular competency statement. I am able to do this with Coach by pressing the icon next to the competency statement. This opens up a window which allows me to add my observations or comments. Better still, I am able to justify my observations with evidence from the call. In addition to this, I am also able to add a learning attachment or a URL link to the company's knowledge system. Making coaching interactive is very important. With Coach, I am able to add questions requiring the agent to provide a response, which can also include supportive evidence in the form of call segments. Combining using speech analytics to find the perfect call and evidence with Coach's flexible coaching tool allows me to create truly enjoyable learning experiences for my agents, as well as adding value to my company. However, Coach SA is not purely an online coaching solution, but includes a number of significant use cases, all of which are included as part of Coach SA and are not charged extra. Let me describe these to you briefly. We are able to set Coach SA to search every call and find calls which have not complied to business critical requirements. For example, missed upselling opportunities, failing to meet regulatory standards, or mis-selling. The calls are sent to the supervisor within 24 hours to take possible recovery actions and, most importantly, to use the call to create a coaching session for the agent to learn and improve from this experience. We can also analyse transcribed calls and gain valuable insights into the voice of the customer, for example, customer concerns. Finally, Coach SA is invaluable when we launch a new product or service. During the first few days, we focus on using every relevant call to coach our agents and build up their confidence and accuracy on the way they present the benefits of the new product. At the same time, we are able to capture the customer's reactions regarding the new product.
Hi, my name is Anne. I started with the company 2 years ago. I wanted to join because of what I learnt from one of my friends who was working as a customer service agent. Let me show you an example of a recent coaching session my supervisor sent me. In the first skill, my supervisor has asked me 2 questions. With the first question, he has included a clip from the call and asked me to listen and comment whether, in my opinion, I sounded enthusiastic. Some questions or observations include helpful short learning attachments which helps to remind me of a particular skill and the best way to apply it. When answering the question, I'm able to illustrate my response with selecting one or more call segments. For example, I may have found a different part of the call where I feel that I did demonstrate appropriate enthusiasm. This is an important lesson for me to learn. A customer looks for consistency in the way he or she is being treated.